Hi there, I'm Stephen Reed, orthopedic surgeon with Ford Orthopedic Associates. Today I'm going to answer some questions about hip replacement surgery. Tim asks, how soon will I be able to climb stairs or drive a car after hip replacement surgery? Driving a car, we know from studies that have been actually looked at with driving even the operative leg, 2 to 4 weeks, patients are most likely able to resume driving a vehicle. The big concern there, of course, is control of the leg and the brake. The gas we're not worried about. Climbing steps and stairs, we will start teaching you that from day one. So a lot of patients will actually go home to a upper level apartment or condo and have to negotiate that going home from surgery the day after or the next day, many times, to be successful.